Okay, I'm going to be doing a sort of a quick how-to video on 2010 Nissan Armada blend door actuator. If anybody wants to know the part, it's a Dorman brand because the Nissan brand is like almost 500 bucks. So not going to do that. I'm going to try this for 25. Hopefully it works off of eBay. We'll see what happens. So if anybody's got one of these problems in the rear and you're hearing this click 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 when you change for rear cold to heat, there's a little door inside here that this thing operates, and the original one, the gears inside got stripped at a certain point, so it's just slipping and it's just making all that noise. So we're going to change it out. I've already obviously been into it because you saw the old part. So first of all, remove all your stuff, put your seats down, take that out, easy enough. Pull this up and back, take it out. This guy right here, straight up, pops right out. Now these parts here, obviously I've already taken them off, and I will be putting them back, so I'm going to take them out. So you'll see there's a forward and a rear. You got the pin, goes in there and clips up. But you've got to have, in order to get this up, you got to have this part down to unhook it with a screwdriver and then pop that up. And, you know, bolts under there, and then you got the two here, and then this piece just pops right out. The next thing I did, just to give me some flexible room, so I want to take that off here. 14, I believe. So I've already loosened some of this stuff up. Get that up out of the way. Now, this one here, it's got to come off. Easy enough. I pulled that out with my fingers. I was going to use a screwdriver, but you can use a screwdriver, get in the slot if you can't get your fingers on it. Just pop it out because it is on a little bracket inside of there. Okay, next part is wiggling this dude out. This thing's just got clips everywhere. Kind of be a little ginger with it. Alright, that's that. I think there's one more. Nope, that's all loose. Okay, so this is what I did here, is I just kind of picked up, got it away from there, and just pushed it forward and flexed it back until you stop right there. It's really as far as you need to go. Right in here is your connector, and your blend door will be typically right in here. Once I get it lined up right, there it is. So obviously you can see. Oh no! Come back. Anyways, that's where you'll find it. There are screws. I believe those are 5.5 millimeter. Yep. Let's take them out. I think there was only 2, maybe there were 3. There were 3. I don't know where my third one's at. I think there were only 2, if I remember. So, if you want a little bit more flex, you can pull these off. Those little clips back behind there, and they're kind of fun to play with. Ouch. Gives you a little more flexibility. And yeah, one of them's a pin, and the other 2 are the bolts. So what we'll do is hope this connector fits. This is an aftermarket part. Oh, it does. Holy smokes. So that one will go there. Gotta kind of get it lined up. Alright, so that's in there. Those guys in there. Don't need to be super tight, just seat them down and then give them a slight snug. It's all plastic. Don't want to overdo it. Okay, so that's on. Alright, go ahead and turn it on. Flip the heat and the cool. Hopefully we don't have that stupid sound anymore. Maybe the dual.
Oh, I'm really running late.
Whether it's working or not, meh, but it's not clicking. So, I think it's working. I guess I could have my wife do that while I check it later. But no more clicking sound, which I can't stand. So, putting it back together is basically reverse order. Start back here and just kind of start tucking it down and in. And that's pretty much it. Just be mindful when you start tucking this in, you'll have to take this seal here. Once you get it in, I took a smooth screwdriver and just gently came down like that and tuck that back in. Same with this piece, you'll just pull the seal back. Kind of just roll it back and tuck it in as you go. And then just put everything back in reverse order. And that's about it.